Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Chromebook. First, ensure your Chromebook supports the Google Play Store and that it is enabled in your settings. Then, open the Play Store, search for Roblox, and install the official application. Once installed, simply launch the app, log in with your existing account or create a new one, and you're ready to dive into countless games. To ensure a smooth gaming experience, consider optimizing your Chromebook's performance. Close any background applications or browser tabs that are not in use, as they consume valuable system resources. Within Roblox, navigate to the in-game settings and reduce the graphics quality to a lower preset. Additionally, always keep your Chromebook's operating system updated to the latest version for optimal stability and performance. If you encounter issues, try some common troubleshooting steps. First, go to your Chromebook's app settings, find Roblox, and clear its cache and data. This often resolves minor bugs. A simple restart of your Chromebook can also fix many temporary glitches. Finally, ensure you have a stable and strong internet connection, as Roblox requires consistent online access for seamless gameplay and updates. Before you start, remember a few important considerations. Not every Chromebook model fully supports the Google Play Store, so verify compatibility if you face installation issues. Your gaming performance will vary significantly depending on your Chromebook's processor, RAM, and storage. For a more precise and enjoyable gaming experience, especially in action-oriented games, we highly recommend using an external mouse rather than just the trackpad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.